Our next keynote speaker session. Speaker topic is the Trinity Power CSR, the driver, social work, the cohesive force, safe planet, the global goal and mission. Absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a massive round of applause for Engineer Ranjana Kumari.
Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster, for this warm welcome. Excellencies, delegates, and global leaders. Thank you for staying this long. I'm the last few of the speakers, and your presence is very, very meaningful to me and quite motivating for me. I'm privileged to be here, and I'm grateful to the organizers of World Leaders Summit. But before I begin my official address, I want to breathe in a moment of gratitude because this podium is not mine alone. It belongs to every voice that was silenced and every dream that was delayed and to every girl who was told, you cannot, not you, stay in your limits, know your boundaries. I stand here as one of them. A girl from Bharat, India, from a humble, simple, and ordinary background that was once invisible. And now sharing space with the global leaders, think tanks, and policymakers. And this is not just presence, this is proof. Proof when courage meets opportunity, impactful things happen. And these are the things that my courage and opportunities have given me. I go down to the giants whose visions has brought me here. The great Savitribai Phule, Dr. Ambedkar, Maya Angelou, Margaret Atwood, and Lucy Stone, Hansa Mehta. These are the leaders and visionaries from past and present whose visions has given the opportunity to a girl like me to stand here. And my greatest strength, my mother, late Mrs. Sheila Devi, and my family and friends. Thank you, everyone. But before I move ahead, I want to ask you two questions. What is one thing happening in the world right now that keeps you worried? And what is one thing happening in the world right now that gives you hope? Because somewhere between the courage and fear, there is a responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, raise your hands if you believe the world still has hope. And keep it raised if you want to take responsibility for it. Thank you. I'm here to present a trinity of power. CSR, the driver, social work, the cohesive force, and safe planet, the global goal and mission. Excellencies, we are meeting in this failure of power. But outside these walls, the world is wobbling, shaking, and crying for help. For a mother in a war zone, it's really hard to raise and feed a child. And we have failed as a society here. These are not the UN SDGs goals we are looking forward to. These are the difference. UN SDGs goals are the difference between mean and starvation. They are the difference between dignity and misery. I am here to present a framework that can be a chasm of failure, a bridge between the word Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and the theory should be practiced right now. Leaders, I am asking you one hard question. Are we transforming the world or just perfecting the vote and sales presentations? Because merely generating reports on paper doesn't solve anything. There is a term called greenwashing. And it is a new term for shame. And rising generation will not ignore it. They will cancel it. They will question it. And when the CSR undergo a bold phase, a bold one, it must become the engine of economic accountability. When capital is deployed with consensus and when profit is aligned with dharma, it transforms into न्याय, transforms into justice. The world doesn't need more profit-making companies and factories, it needs more accountable ones. alone is a poor force. It needs a heart. That heart is social work. Social workers are the architect of this funded the invisible framework for holding society together. At I Foundation India Trust, we didn't just run programs. We fight evening on the streets to harassment at workplace, from combating virtual bypass on online and deterring the pandemic of mental health, raising environmental awareness, cyber awareness, women empowerment, and all the efforts we have decreased the dropout ratio in schools. We transformed corporate mandates into community movements. We restored hope, freedom, and belief in giving back to society. Our slogan is identity and dignity to every individual. This is our Sangha, unity, where framework meets souls and resources meet empathy. Because the greatest downfall of today is not economic, it's human disconnection and ignorance. Here, social and community work is the remedy. Social work is the antidote to the loneliness and systematic burnout, to the silent barriers that hold back our society together. So why does all this matter? Considering our children are done with our excuses. A safe planet is not just a policy, it's a responsibility. Future need a better world, a world that is surekshiत, safe, and savage, green. Generations are not only asking for sustainability, they are asking for their survival. And delay is the most dangerous form of denial, and silence is the loudest betrayal to the future. They are tired of hope being used as a sedatives. They are asking, are we the generations that save the world, or the generation that may be tweeted about its extinction? We owe them more than wealth, industries, war, missile, bomb, chaos. We owe them a world where they can live, breathe, and thrive. Our solutions must be chased higher permanent. So what must we do now? We must invest in grassroots of social work causes, make peace, sustainability, happiness non-negotiables. Embedded in UN SDGs 4, 5, 8, 9, 6 as ESG, CSR, DEI, gender equality into leadership. I urge to this World Leader Summit to take an oath and make this earth Sujalam, rich in clean water, Supalam, filled with fruits, veggies and grains, and Malay Shidlam, air filled with the purity of fresh air. Conclusion is, to those who say it's too late, I bring the fire from my home. Shri Dushyanth Kumar says, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी बिगड़नी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. The pain has grown like a mountain. It must melt down. A river of solution must flow from this summit. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. My goal is to not create a spectacle, drama or chaos. My mission is that the face of this reality must change. Delegates, history appreciates those who take responsibility. So the question is, are we the saviors? Are we the guardians? Dhanyavad. Thank you. Rakha, Shukriya, Mercy.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.